Welcome to MobileSyrup.com, mobile news and reviews for Canadians. This is a look into the Rogers BlackBerry Curve 8520. It's their newest BlackBerry to come to market, and it's an entry-level BlackBerry. It's only $99 on a 3-year contract, so if you've wanted a BlackBerry, this might be one that you want to consider. And you're probably wondering, why is it so cost-effective at a new device? A couple reasons for that. One, it's all plastic. You can see all the way around. It's all made of plastic. Nothing really shiny or elegant about this. Even on the back, you can see it's all plastic. Another reason is that it's only Edge. So there's no 3G in this. It does have Wi-Fi, and yes, it does connect to Rogers TalkSpot. So it is UMA enabled. Something that you might want to consider that can save you a little bit of money that way also. Another key attribute of this, you can see in the middle here, gone are the days of the trackball. It's being replaced now by this optical trackpad, so it is easier to navigate your way around. I've gotten used to it over the last week or so. You can change the sensitivity on this. Make sure, if you do like sounds, you can add sounds to when this is surfing around here. Also, the screen, 2.4 inches, QVGA screen, 320 by 240 resolution, so the screen quality is a little bit dimmed compared to other devices that we've seen in the past. In regards to dimensions wise, I'll just bring up to another BlackBerry. This is the Tour. It is 9630. I don't have an 8900, which is Rogers' version of this. You can see the dimensions are somewhat similar. A little bit smaller than the 8520 is. Thickness is about the same. Overall weight, there's actually no comparison. This only weighs 106 grams, so it is a lot lighter than the Tour or 8900. Now when it comes to the design, there's no comparison. You can see the Tour is getting a little more class with this chrome overlay all the way around it. The keys are separated nicely, the display is brighter, and it's heavier as well. So let's go into the 8520. You can see I got my email all hooked up here. I'll just go in, show you what an email does look like. I really like the trackpad. It's easier to use and seems a lot simpler to navigate your way around. And faster. So if you do want to type an email, all you have to do is simply go type yourself an email. Use this full QWERTY keyboard. Keys are laid out nicely. No hesitation with the keys here. They do feel a little bit plastic, but that's what you're going to get with this device. Let's type this as an email. You can see it's easy to use. Keyboard's not an issue. Actually feels really light, really nice. Other features of this is that you can do your text messaging, your picture messaging, your instant messenger as well. I've got my Yahoo hooked up, also my Gmail. So let's go into the instant messenger, for example. You can see you can do your Yahoo instant messenger, your Google Talk, and also your BlackBerry Messenger. So 3 great options right there. When it actually comes down to your text messages, I'll just go in, write myself a text message into one of my contacts. Simple to use. So you can see it's simple to use this. What makes it nice is that RIM has done a couple options here that does shortcuts. So you can find those on BlackBerry's website, all the shortcuts to make easier experience for your BlackBerry. You can see when you're typing, it has a maximum number of characters of 160. So when it comes to other features of this that makes this device stand out, you got your calendar, you can view it monthly, daily, you can sync it up with your Google, set your alarms. When it comes to your contacts, It does show up many areas. You can get a picture in there just so you know who you're speaking with when they do call in. Also, what's nice is that you can start just simply typing a name, and it brings up the person's name, for example, that you're looking to, or any number that you want to dial as well. And when you do find that person, all you have to do is press on their name. You can send them different messages, how you'd like to communicate with them as well. So if we go into this, I'll show you the web. Now this does not have 3G. You can see on the top here it does have Edge. And also has Wi-Fi. What's good about that is that this is also UMA compatible, so you can hook it up with Rogers TalkSpot. So when you're in your house, around your house, you can save your minutes and also data. So I'll just go into web right now, show you the difference when it comes to surfing a website with Edge on there. Now one thing about the actual web itself is that when it does load the page up, it comes up almost pixelated. So it doesn't render the website as clean as other devices we've seen in the past. Although what's really nice is this trackpad. This is the first device that we've seen using it, and it makes it such a greater experience when using it for such things like the web. You don't have to use a trackball, keep going down anymore. So I'll just turn on the Wi-Fi, just show you the difference in speeds. To turn on the Wi-Fi, go into Manage Connections, and you go into Wi-Fi. You can see it's on right now. We'll go back up to the web, and I'll go to a different website. I'll go to CNN.com. Probably hook me up with their mobile website, but to show you the difference in speeds wise. See, it loads it incredibly faster, so it's good that it does have Wi-Fi in there. Renders the page really nice, cleans it up. So let's go else. We'll go into the media. What I'll do is I'll show you what video is like on here. It does come with a camera. 2 megapixel camera, can take video. This is what it does look like. Speakers up here. So the picture quality is decent, it's 2 megapixels. The sound quality is somewhat muffled a bit. I will play you a video or some music just to show you what's going on. So for that I'm going to go up to these media keys up here. This is also new. See, it's got your rewind track, play pause, mute button, also a forward track. So if I press play, going to turn up the volume. 3.5mm earphone jack right there. The volume is decent. If you're stopping and you do get a call or something, you can automatically stop it. So let's say you want to continue it. All you have to do is press the next song, and it tells you you're going to the next song. See, I got a lot of these songs, duplicates going on. So the sound quality is good, gives you a cover album as well. I'll show you what the pictures are like when it comes to the camera. Right now I've got it programmed on the right hand side to go to the camera. I'll go to my pictures, show you what the quality is like. In order to view it, one thing that I'd like to see is this trackpad being able to be used a little more effectively to view pictures. but it doesn't do anything except for navigation on the screen and also for your emails or messages as well. So you have to move it forward, you have to use the N, and just keep going through your pictures like that. Quality is pretty decent actually. And if you want to go back, just get the P button and work your way back. So there's some of the things that we have seen here. In addition, it's got GPS, maps there, your contacts, your calendar. Get a few games loaded in there. Also, you can get access to the app world, all your applications that you do need. So overall, it's got some great things that are included in this, and it should be something that you might want to consider if you're thinking about getting a BlackBerry. Because as I said, it's an affordable BlackBerry. It's lightweight, 106 grams, so you can get all the needs that you need serviced, such as your email, your contacts, your calendar, your instant messaging, your web. Just some things need to be improved on for the next time, such as an added flash, a better connection to 3G. Other than that, well, more information on this entry-level BlackBerry on mobilesyrup.com.